Hi all, this is Nifty analysis video for 14th of October. So first let's have a look at open interest. This is for 17th October expiry. So if you see 25,000, both call and put have highest open interest. Actually this 26,000 is having the highest call open interest, but from practical point of view 25,000 we can consider it as highest because here the premium will be very less. So both call writer and put writer are the highest Y is placed at 25,000. So till now no clarity. So if you see this total combination of this 25,000 is having both highest call and put. This is the total outstanding. So what happened last Friday? Friday if you see there was more call writing 2.6 CR call writing as compared to that 1.0 CR put writing. So more number of call is resistance as you might be knowing. So coming back to again the total outstanding call, this red line is resistance, and wherever we have this green, this wherever we have put that is support. So both support and resistance is at 25,000 in that sense. If you look at change that happened on Friday, there was more call writing. So the trend was down for that particular day. And if you see here, highest call writing was at 25,000. So this 25,000 is going to be a key zone. If you look at the monthly, if you see there is not much in the monthly because 25,000, 24,500 and 24,000 they have 40 lakhs each. Put writing, so these three are support zone. Again, we have three resistance zones 25,000, 25,500 and 26,000. So not much from the monthly data. So we have to stick to this. Just have a all we always have a look at the monthly data, but mostly the decision should be based on the weekly data because the speed at which action will be taken that will be more on the weekly data because the impact on the weekly option is more than the monthly because in monthly there is more time. So here if you see coming back to again what we discussed 25,000 both call and put writing have, it has happened there, and also on Friday highest call writing was at 25,000. Now coming back to the chart, before coming to chart we can have a look at the FID activity. So FI sold 4,000 crores the cash, but they bought 3.7 on the 3.7 3,700 crores on the cash market, and index future 300 to total 4,000 they bought on the cash and future. Again stock future another 3.3 cr 3,300 cr. So it is totally this plus this FI cash, sorry DI cash, FI index future and FI stock future is close to 7,300 crores, and against that only 4,000 crores of selling by FIs in the cash market. So overall 3,000 plus buying on Friday, which is on positive side. Again VIX has come down 2%, which is again positive. So this data indicates little bit of positivity. Now let's look at the dashboard, participant wise dashboard. Here we look at FI data because DI they are not much into options, right? As per the Indian regulations, so they cannot speculate more. So if you see here, FIs they bought 5,000 crores on Friday on index future. Call also they 1.8 lakh call open interest, and then put side also they have added. So if you see both call and put they have added on Friday. Generally they sell option, right? But on Friday there is option buying activity by FI. So that is indicating they are poising for a move outside of the range. Okay, so if you see here, see this index option, it is 24,000 crores they have got. But if you look at other days, for example, day before yesterday, 21,000 was the option selling. So if you see mostly this option will be selling 36,000 crores. Before that, on 6,000 CR buying. So some that was a small buying. Again, if you see index option, 15,000 crores selling. Again, if you see this might be on the expiry day or very rarely this happens. So last Friday also they bought this option you see, and the next day there was a big down move. So generally, whenever they buy option, we can expect a move either side. Which side, that we have to see the technicals. Again, if you go back index option 61,000 CR selling, again 16,000 CR selling. So mostly they sell options, right? 13,000 crore selling. Sometimes they will buy options. So whenever there's some activity, see again Friday there was a move. 51,000 was the option they bought, and see there was a 368 point downfall next day. Okay, so whenever there is option buying, mostly you can expect a move. So which side, we have to see the technical, or if you don't want to analyze that part, you can just buy call and put straddle buying. So either way, there is a big move. Whichever option, let's say this day, based on this data, next day buy both call and put. The put is increasing, you can exit the call and book profit. Similarly, if you see one more day, there was some significant option buying. See this 44,000 crores. Next day, what happened? Again, if you buy both call and put, if the call is decreasing value, you leave that and you just have the put. So we got a good move. So last Friday again they have bought. So we can expect a move tomorrow either side. So one strategy could be buy both call and put at the money. Okay, we don't want to analyze on the, or don't want to depend on the technicals, but we try to take the help of technical. So now let's go to the chart. So if you see here, this is 10 period moving average 20, and we discussed yesterday, not yesterday, I mean for the Friday data, that 25,000 the market is pausing here, right? It's taking a pause over here. So there is no much movement beyond this 50-day moving average. So if you look at the option data also, this one I mean to say, sorry, this one, if you see Friday, what happened? This total outstanding is both call and put wise 25,000, the highest open interest. So either way, there could be big move. And if you see the technical here also, market has taken a pause here, 50-day moving average. So either side, once we break the 24,700 or 25,200, we can expect a big enough move. Okay. So as of now, there is no clarity as such, but we can expect a good or significant move tomorrow mostly, or if not tomorrow, then day after tomorrow. So we have to look at the tomorrow. You can look at the intraday data. So let's say there is more call writing, then you can expect a down move, or there is more put writing, expect a up move. Also from technical point of view, we can use the opening, what is it, opening range breakout, ORB, right? So for intraday, you can just wait for first 10-15 minutes and see if the high of the day is breaking, you can buy call, put the day low as stop loss. If the day low is breaking, you can buy put and keep day high as the stop loss. So tomorrow I will try to explain this maybe in the intraday data after 10-15 or so, how market is behaving and how we can trade. So yeah, that's all for today. So see you tomorrow. Thank you for watching.